If you are suffering from chronic constipation, this video is for you. Have you ever tried laxatives? You might have heard of psyllium husk or methylcellulose. These are bulk-forming laxatives. Your doctor may advise laxatives if diet and lifestyle changes don't help constipation. These laxatives retain more fluid in the intestine and make your stool bulkier. After your stool gets soft and bulky, it can promote contractions of the colon. Most laxatives are safe for long-term use. You might have some common side effects like bloating, gas, or abdominal cramps though. That's why you should always take them with lots of fluid. Talk to your doctor to see if you think you need a bulk-forming laxative. We will soon be back with another video like this one.
Till then, do like and share this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.